of the year 2011 DmcG. Yeah, he is back.
Don't you ever try to find me on the radio? I dare you to try to say something crazy.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. I'm talking real big, like all hundreds. Y'all niggas fake. Go hop a gate. I'm getting money. Bill Gates. No money, cheapskate. Always read between the lines and no timing. Real talk, no resigning. Baller of the year 2011, that's me on BET. Get at me like STDs. Y'all people never knew what somebody like me can do. Every track I get on, make people ricochet like stiff arm. I'm so cold with everything I spit is undetected, unexpected. And I knew Lil Wayne and Rick Ross weren't gonna say nothing back. I mean, Rick Ross might have a heart attack. Where they at? Yeah. So cold on every track I get on. I'm what's in style. 50 take a break for a while. I mean, me and my people might repossess your car and then contact you tomorrow. Yeah. Baller of the year.
Baler of the year 2011 DmcG. Yeah, he is back.
Don't you ever try to find me on the radio? I dare you to try to say something crazy.
It's a rap, kid. It's a rap here.